So hi everyone, now let's see the instruction LDA 16-bit address. For this instruction, what is opcode? So you know that in the instruction, the first part it is known as opcode and the remaining part is known as operand. So in this instruction, the opcode is LDA and the operand is 16-bit address. What is the byte of this instruction? Byte of the instruction means that what is the size of that instruction. If in the instruction no data is present, it means that instruction is of 1 byte. If in the instruction 8-bit value is present, it means that instruction is of 2 byte. And if the instruction 16-bit value is present, it means that instruction is of 3 byte. So you can see that in this instruction 16-bit value is present, it means this instruction is of 3 byte. Now what is the meaning of 3 byte instruction? 3 byte instruction means that when this instruction is stored in the memory, it will occupy 3 memory locations. It will occupy 3 byte. You know that one memory location can store 1 byte, means 8 bit of data, and the address of one location is 16 bit. It is represented in the hexadecimal. If you convert into binary, you will get 16 bit. So address is of 16 bit and the storage capacity of one location is 8 bit. Machine cycle we are going to see a bit later. Let's first see the meaning of the instruction. Now LDA 16 bit address. It means load data to accumulator from 16 bit address of memory location. Okay, so let's see one example. For example, it is LDA 4000H. So what is the meaning of LDA 4000H? LDA 4000H means that load data to accumulator from 4000H memory location. In 4000H memory location, how much data is stored? 8-bit data. Okay. So you can see that before the execution of this instruction, in the accumulator 44H is present. After the execution, what will happen? That data which is stored in the 4000H will be transferred to the accumulator. So in the accumulator previously 44H was present, it will be override, and in the accumulator the new value will be 49H. Okay, so this is the example of this instruction. What is the flag of this instruction? Because this instruction is data transfer instruction, in the data transfer instruction no flags are affected. Now let's see the machine cycle. To understand machine cycle, you have to understand every process of particular instruction. So let's see what are the steps which is done by microprocessor when this instruction is executed. So suppose LDA 4000H is the example. Now when you program the microprocessor, when you give this LDA 4000H to the microprocessor, in the memory this instruction will be stored from the starting location. Now because this instruction is of 3 byte, it means this one instruction will occupy 3 memory locations. So in the first location, LDA will be there. In the second location, 00H, and in the third location, 40H. So you can see that when we give this instruction to the microprocessor, in the memory this instruction will be stored from the starting location. After the instruction is stored, the processor will start doing its process, which is fetch, decode and execute. So it will start fetching all the instructions from the starting location. So to fetch the first LDA, to fetch the opcode, it has to execute opcode fetch machine cycle. After opcode fetch machine cycle is done, only LDA is read by the microprocessor. These two values are remaining. To read this whole instruction, just opcode fetch machine cycle is not sufficient. So the microprocessor has to memory read this next location, and again microprocessor has to perform the memory read machine cycle. So you can understand that to read this instruction, processor has to perform 3 machine cycles. That is opcode fetch, memory read and memory read. After these 3 machine cycles are performed, this whole instruction is transferred to the microprocessor. So instruction is fetch. Now instruction is fetch, the processor will decode the instruction. After decode the instruction, processor will execute. Now what are the steps which is happening in the execution? When processor will execute this instruction, the data from the 4000H will be transferred to the accumulator. It means to transfer the data from the memory to the accumulator, processor has to perform one more machine cycle, which is memory read. It means for the LDA 4000H instruction, 4 machine cycles are required: opcode fetch, memory read and memory read. Okay, and this is it for this instruction.